Today's video is going to be Christmas themed. This is going to be Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, sung by my BFF from Silly Sandbox Studios. They make stop-motion animation and teaching how to dance. And they read stories. My personal favorite is the stop-motion animation because it's freaking hilarious. So head on down and subscribe. And remember, kids, if you don't be good this year, Santa won't give you toys.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Remember, kids, eat your candy or Santa won't give you stuff for Christmas. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.